Okay, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody, wherever you are watching me from. Sorry, as in, I never dropped new videos since my brother. I've been working, I've been busy, I've been sick. It hasn't been easy, I've been freezing. In fact, I feel drop a rap record on top waiting done they happen. But again, nonetheless, we're back, and I'm also planning another concept coming up soon. Very fun concept to teach software engineering to all my Naija people. See, I don't forget, saying a pidgin, I don't go to speak English. So, more no waste time. I like what you people did on my last video. You subscribed, you liked, and you shared it. I'm really grateful. Say I did make impact. So now I want. Last time we stopped at data types. Now data types have been stopped. So now we are going into conditions. You get what they call conditions. After we do all these ones, you will see how it dey be. So, first of all, remember we get .NET Practice for our desktop, and then we need to open Visual Studio Code. So make I open Visual Studio Code for now. You can follow along. You open your Visual Studio Code. So this one's now the last things we do. We do data types. We do Hello Naija. So we want to do new one today. So we want to do new one today. Uh, so let's see. Let's do the new one today. Why I even go click this thing? Might close all these things first. Close, close, close. So what we want to do today na conditional. So you remember as we did do am, you go click this terminal. Click am. Click. Okay, your own fit no comot like this. So if your own no comot like this, what you go do? You click file. If you click file, you go open folder. Remember I said the folder na desktop we put am. So you go click desktop, excuse me. If you click desktop, you go .NET Practice. Now so we call am the last time where we create am. So you touch am, then you click select folder. You go say your own to go open like this. So now wetin we go do, we go terminal because we wan create new console app. I say different type of app dey, but as we dey learn, we just dey start. We go dey start with console app. Now the one we go start with be that, so that we go learn the basics. So you click this terminal, new terminal, then you come here, you press enter. If you press enter, you go see am like this. So what we want to do, we go now say na .NET now. So .NET new, we need new console app, and we want make the name, that's that end, the name make it be waiting conditionals, or let's just say conditionals, anyhow you want talk am. So now the same way we will take create data types, now the same way we will take create Hello Naija. Now we don't dey create conditionals. Then I press enter. They watch this place. See am, conditionals don't show. So you go open the conditionals, come open program.cs. Now wait you go see be this inside am. So now if we want run am, the thing we dey here, we just want see am. So we go say .NET run am, run. We no fit run am, thank God. So we don't get this thing because we dey inside .NET Practice. We never enter inside conditionals. Thank God for this error. So for coding, as you dey learn dey go, you go dey learn how to debug errors. So error don't come. This kind of error now they show you say you never enter inside this conditional folder. So you know they see this program.cs. So make we enter. How did they take enter? CD, which is what change directory. Then you type the name conditionals. So if you enter, you see we don't enter conditionals now. Now we go come say .NET run. Oh, run now. So you go see hello world. This hello world did here. See hello world. I don't teach all these ones for former classes, so I no go teach them again. Make the video not too long. So let's go. So today I want to teach you now conditionals. So might explain wetin be conditionals first. Computer they think we want make computer think like human being so that it go fit perform human task for us, abi. So how human being they think first of all, we see how human being they think. Human being, if I say okay, let's say I want come out today. If rain they fall, wetin I go do? If rain they fall and I want come out, you see I say if. So this conditionals they use if and else. So if rain won't come out, if rain they fall and I won't come out, I go do it in. I go use umbrella. Now so my brain they think. I no go just come out. I go look. If rain won't fall and I won't come out, I go use umbrella. If rain no day and I won't come out, I go dress normal. If cold day and I won't come out, I go wear sweater. So now wetin they call conditionals be that, and we go see how we go make computer to they take know this kind things. So I no go want write everything. I no go want they write everything for us here. So make I just bring and come from here. I go show now everything. So now the code be this. More explain now. See this place, ba? This weather. Now the weather way we go to check. So here more put raining. More put raining. I don't know if now the spelling for raining be that too, but I don't put raining. So okay. So now watch this string weather. This weather they tell us say it dey rain. So you wake up in the morning, you won't come out, you don't dress, but it dey rain. Wetin go happen? Wetin you go check? Go say if this weather na raining, now you go check. If weather raining, wetin you go do? Carry umbrella, it go rain. Carry umbrella, it go rain. Else, if weather na sunny, if weather sunny, wear sunshade, sun dey shine. You understand? Else, carry sweater, weather no stable. So wetin we go do now? We go check wetin this thing go print for us. Wetin the computer go tell us. Remember, weather dey wetin? Rainy. That means it dey rain outside. So if it dey rain outside, wetin computer suppose tell us? Suppose tell us say carry umbrella, it go rain. Say am now. If rain, if like say I wan enter inside. So if rain dey fall outside, carry umbrella, it go rain, right? If weather dey sunny, wear sunshade, sun dey shine. You understand? Else, carry sweater, weather no stable. So who fit guess if I put .NET run, wetin go print out for this place? .NET run. So we suppose see wetin? Correct. Why I run now? So you say, carry umbrella, it go rain. So why they tell me say carry umbrella, it go rain? Because the weather is what? Raining. Okay, what if I put weather? I change weather. I no be God, but make I change the weather, go sunny. If weather na sunny, out of all these things, carry umbrella. Is carry umbrella. Hmm? Wear sunshade or carry sweater weather no stable. Which one go print for here? If I put .NET run, I don't change the weather to sunny. So which one go print for here if I put .NET run? I give you 3 seconds to answer this question. 1, 2, correct. So make I run on .NET run. Correct. Person wey talk say wear sunshade, you dey correct. So the computer don dey understand say if weather change I know wetin I go show una. So you see wear sunshade, sun dey shine. Correct. So you na see as e dey simple. Oya now, mo put this weather to another thing wey no be rainy, wey no be sunny. Mo say cold. No say cold. I for put winter but na harmattan we get. I put hammer. I dey spell harmattan. Anyhow, I don't write am. They do me like say na double M. Anything wey e be. So I don't write harmattan now. So wetin you go tell me? Weather I don't change, I no be God but I don't change the weather go harmattan. So the weather no be rainy, computer no go tell me this one. The weather no be sunny, computer no go tell me this one. So if no be rainy, no be sunny, computer go suppose tell me this one. You understand? So make we run and see. I don't already give answer. I be wan ask una the question, but more run and see. So we go say .NET run. 1, 2, 3. Bam. So you don't talk. I say carry sweater weather no stable. So that's all. I don't finish with conditionals be that. If you want to do anything, this conditional if it be anything. Okay, more take another scenario. If my name na Simbi, say hello Simbi. Okay, more say if change, maybe you go buy something, they won't give you change, Abby. If the change na okay, more use I be want use one thing for now. Okay, I go use them. They call them comparative statements where they compare this to this. Okay, more use them. More kuku teacher here. So if the change big pass 100 naira, you understand? So okay, more put change. Yes, more put change equal to 100 naira. Abi? More no say string. More call this one int. I don't teach na data type, so if na number, we go call an int. If na words or letters, we go call them string. So this number now, we dey call them int because na number, right? So what we go do now be say, wetin we want be say, if the change wey the woman give us, dey greater than, dey big pass big pass 100 naira. If the change big pass 100 naira, collect am. Now I begin with the tell now. Collect am. Now I say collect the change. If change small pass 100 naira, wetin we go tell am? Leave am na chicken change. We tell am na chicken change. Chicken change na be money wey no big. Na just normal. Or crayfish money. I go to one woman. E get one time wey we dey one woman place, so person say, ah, this one na crayfish money na. The woman dey sell crayfish. She come say, omo, crayfish no be crayfish money again o. Crayfish of now no be before. So, otherwise, what if the e possible say change no go big pass 100 naira or small pass 100 naira? Okay, change fit be 100 naira. So otherwise, still collect am. Still collect am. Na our money. So na another example be this now. So it be like say you send your pikin now, which na the computer now. So you tell am say, if the change, Samu, if the change big pass 100 naira, collect the change. Abi? Else, if the change, you see ba, I write whether, na the change o. Don dey say na. If the change less small pass 100 naira, na chicken change. Leave am for them. You see am? Na chicken change. Leave am for them. Else, just collect the money. If na 100 naira, collect the money come. So at this point now, the change na wetin? Na 100 naira. So if I say .net run, wetin e go print for us? I give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half and 5. Correct. You get am. You go tell us say still collect am na our money. Because na 100 naira. No be say e small pass 100 naira. No be say e big pass 100 naira. Abi? We'll check am. So you see am. Talk am. Say still collect our money. Correct. So more go change the change now. Might put the change 50 naira. So if I put this change 50 naira now, wetin e go tell us? If we do .net run, if we do .net run, wetin the change go tell us now? Yeah, I give you 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Run am. Correct. Na chicken change. Leave am for them. You dey say am? Since the computer don dey think. Why e dey think? Because we dey use wetin? If else statements. And this if else statement na they call wetin? Conditionals. Omo, I'm so proud of una and I don learn something today. So now, wetin we go do again? What if the change big pass 100 naira? Let's say na 150. Let's say na 150. So if na 150 .net run, how e go be? Wetin go happen? So run am. So collect the change. So collect the change. So we don't learn another thing today. I'm so happy to have I just dey happy say I don't bring this video come for una. Serious, it don't take small because as I say, I've been busy and I just dey sick. But from here we go continue to go like that. Small. We go learn coding and we go learn .net, how software engineering they go. But we are getting there. So no forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. I dey beg una make una comment. I know they comment. Comment so that I go know, and then share am. I beg. Comment, share, subscribe, like it. Thank you very much. Una bye bye. Go see una for the next video. And as I talk, I get another format where they come out. I go really want to una hook on to that one too. But no worry, they come very soon. Okay, so see you later and peace and love.